Gary Scheffmeyer, please.
If you're a veteran, please remain covered and render a hand salute. If you're not, please uncover. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, with indivisible liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Please remain standing. Jane Sutton and Jesse Hainsley, please. Thank you.
Thank you. It's both a privilege and an honor to be here today with all of you. Please join us as we sing for you now the national anthem. Remember those who have given and lost and those who continue to fight for our very freedoms that allow us to be here today.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallant. And the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner
Color Guard commanders, retire the colors. Before you sit down, I just want you to extend a warm welcome to our tent full of a whole busload of our wounded warriors from Walter Reed Army Medical Center who are with Rolling Thunder again this year.